Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. So in this video, we are going to talk about how we can speak English even if we have no environment. If you want to learn English and you have no one to speak with you, I know there are so many learners, they are facing this issue that they want to speak, they have the willpower to speak, they want to speak, they want to learn. But the problem is that we are not able to talk with somebody because initially we don't have that much confidence and that much of confidence that we can start talking to other person. If you are not able to be holding a conversation with someone like online, or you can't talk to a person, go and talk to the person, it's your friend, it's your family, even if you can speak English. Yes, I'm right, you can speak English if you don't have access of somebody. And I would say you don't need to be somebody to depend on. You don't have to be depend for the learning, that if this person will talk with me, I will only just learn this language, then only. No, you can learn this language, you can speak by yourself. And in this way, what you can do, first of all, start talking to yourself. You can start talking to yourself even if there is no one. You don't have to wait for somebody to talk with you. You have to start talking to yourself at your own. Start to talking yourself. Imagine any scenario. Imagine any scenario that has happened to your past, or imagine any scenario that is going to be, you think you might achieve some goals, or you might be think that I'm going to do this thing tomorrow, I'm going to plan this thing, that trip. You can be talk about any scenario in your mind. So just start talking to yourself. First, start to be imagining any scenario, anything that you want to talk about, and just start to be describing about that scenario. Like if you want to go to any trip, so you can be start to imagine, and along with you can start to talking about it. Okay, I'm planning to go that visit in my vacations, in my holidays. I will be go with my family, my friends, I will do this thing, I will do that thing. So start describing about it. It will help you to express your thought, and it will help you to enhance your speaking skills as well. So start talking to yourself as much as it possible, because when you start to be talking to yourself, you don't have the fear of any judgment by the others. You have just only yourself. You are going to talk to yourself, you are listening to yourself, you are observing your mistakes, and you are not worried about anything or about anyone, because there is only you. And while you are doing self talk, I would say go in front of mirror and start talking in front of mirror, because while you are speaking, you are listening, your ears are listening, you are observing. But when you are speaking in front of mirror, it will be better for you to observe which are the mistakes that I'm going to make. Like while you are standing in front of mirror and you're talking, you might be make some mistake, you will not be able to make the proper eye contact. You will feel like I'm not able to make eye contact. You will feel like my facial expressions are not good. So eventually and gradually you will learn how I can work on myself. You are talking to front of mirror every day regularly. You observe in yourself that yes, now I'm feeling much comfortable, I'm feeling much confident to talking to myself, I am speaking well, I'm improving. And this is how your confidence also enhance. Until you are able to talk to somebody, don't force yourself to be just go and randomly talk to anybody if you are not be able initially. Start with yourself. Start to talking to mirror, start to be creating imaginary scenarios in your mind and start describing about them. Any particular situation, any particular thing that you want to be talk about, talk to yourself. Later on, what you have to do, start to be recording yourself. When you are setting a camera in front of you, you might feel so much afraid. You will feel, I'm not be able to be speak properly, I'm making mistake, I'm not correct, my pronunciation is not good. But when you start to be speaking in front of mirror or in camera, you will able to analyze your growth. When you making your first video and then you watch your make your 10th video, then you will be able to be see, like when you are making your first video and from to continuously 10 days, if you keep on making, on the 10th day you see your 10th video and you see your first video, you will must see changes in yourself, you will must see the changes. You will find, yes, I'm feeling now better, now I am able to make eye contact, now I am able to speak properly. It will be help you to measure your growth, it will help you to find out your own mistake. It will give you a kind of perspective that it's not you speaking by yourself, but you see this by someone else perspective, that if I am as a someone else, I am watching someone else video, what are the things that I can observe from this person. So initially everybody make mistake, I make mistake, you will make mistake, everybody make mistake, but it is a long process, it will take time, but gradually you will start to seeing changes in yourself. So these are the things that can really make you confident and improve yourself, and your speaking skills also help you to learn English, because English is not about only learning a language, it's about a lot of the fear inside. When we are learning the English, that is not difficult. Have you ever feel that I am able to learn, I'm okay with the learning the grammar, I'm okay with the learning books, and I'm okay to reading, I'm okay with the sentencing structures, everything is okay and fine, I understand the English when outside anybody is speaking. But when it comes to me speaking, I afraid to speaking in front of people. That is a kind of fear that is also comes along with this language, and this language is not our mother tongue, that's why this happens. This fear comes from our environment, because if we belongings to non background of this, we have no background of this language around us, might be we are speaking Hindi, might be we are belongings to other our mother tongues, but English is our secondary language, it's not our mother tongue. Nobody speak, so obviously people are not speaking around us, so we feeling ashamed of speaking this, and first and initially we try to speak it out. Even your family members, even the people you live with, they will start to be saying, what is this, what he or she is saying, is he or she is mad, what they are doing it. But you have to create environment for yourself. If you decided that I have to learn it, no matter what come what may, so start talking to yourself, start speaking with yourself. And one other thing that I really want to say, in this journey, while you start speaking in front of mirror and talking to yourself, there will be some points you will might feel so demotivated, like why am I not improving, why I am not able to speak properly. So don't be demotivated, it will take time, because it's a language we are learning, we have to be surrounded with this language as much as it can possible. So try to create environment around you. If it is not possible offline, create online. Start to be immersing yourself with English as much as it can possible. Start to be watching the content in English, start to be watching the videos, even if you are watching videos on YouTube, whether it is related to English, whether it is related to your interest, maybe your interest into the vlogs or cooking, anything it is, technically any video that is you see and you watch, whatever the kind of content that fascinates you, start to be watching it into English, start to be make the English as a part of your life, start to be familiar with this language as much as it can possible. Whenever you are watching something, make sure that not completely, but little bit try to be immersed every day yourself with English language. Speak in English, learn English new words, phrases, learning sentences, learn the grammar topics. Also start to be reading articles, or if possible so read book. Start to be listening the podcast, audiobooks, so many things. There are plenty of content on YouTube. And even if it is very difficult for you to be, if you are a beginner or intermediate, so start to be watching the content, like small stories. Like in English there are a lot of the channels on YouTube, kids stories, and so much wisdom related stories you can see. That will be so much helpful for you. It will help you to improve your English, and also it will motivate you कि yes, you can learn. So please don't wait for right time, right moment, when you feel like I am completely mastering all the things in the English, then I will be able to speak English and I will start to speaking in English. When I am confident enough, when I am fluent enough, then I will be start to be talking to the people, then I will be start to be holding a conversations. No, start from today, start from now. If you find this video, even if a little bit, please like my video and do share and subscribe to my channel.